All right, YouTube, welcome back. And to those who are new here, welcome. Today we're gonna do a little sound test with the BBR, the D3 BBR. What we're gonna run through is what comes in the box. I'm gonna tell you what's done. So what's in the box, tell you what's done to my bike, so you know the sound, what it sounds like versus maybe what somebody else's might sound like. And then sound check with the stock pipe, and then sound check with the D3 BBR pipe. So yeah, let's just get into it, because you're probably just here for the sound test at the end. So here we go. So the box comes with the full header with the heat guard on it. In here you have the BBR that comes inside this nice sleeve. Comes with instructions how to put it on. It does come with the spark arrestor, which I already took out, in which that entails you pop these screws off on the outside, and there's 3 screws to hold this in, and then it pops right out. Also, it comes with the spring puller and a spring. It comes with this nice bag with some Carson stickers. This is not part of the kit, and a heat shield and a butt plug. So, with that being said, I'm going to do a sound test with the stock pipe, and then do a time lapse, me taking that off, put that on, the new pipe, and then sound test with the new pipe. So here we go. All right, so before we do go fire it up, I did notice that these were loose. So make sure you check all your nuts and bolts and everything as you're putting it on. But and I gotta take this back off real quick, because I did not put my heat shield on. I want to put that on because I don't want to melt my plastic. But no further ado, this bike also does not have a bore kit. It only has a 24mm manifold, 24mm throttle body, and a aftermarket intake tube from the airbox. Everything internally is stock head, stock cam, stock piston. So if you have a bore kit, it may sound a little different, but here she is. Now if you do leave this in here, as you heard, when it deaccelerated, it backfired a little bit. If you leave that spark rest in there, it will not do that. So there it is, the D3 by BBR, crf110. So that's it for this one. See you guys in the next one.